Hi, it's Caleb from Seadan Security and Electronics here, and I'm going to be looking at how to set up the LocoM5. In this video, we're going to cover setting it up as essentially a Wi-Fi to Ethernet converter. So this is useful when you have one or two security cameras in another building, for example, or in a disconnected garage, and you just need to get those cameras connected, and it's impossible to run a cable there. If it's over a large distance, you wouldn't be doing this kind of setup. You'd be doing a point-to-point setup. But if it's within range of the customer's Wi-Fi, you can skip the step of adding an additional base station and use their Wi-Fi network as the base station. So currently I've got my computer connected through an Ethernet cable directly into the PoE injector that comes with the Ubiquiti. So that has 2 points on it. One's PoE and one's LAN. So we're connected into the LAN. Then you just want to go into your network settings, change your adapter options, IPv4, and make sure you're in the 192.168.1 range. That's the default IP for the LocoM5s. So the default IP is actually 192.168.1.20, so we'll visit that and proceed. It's telling you it's unsafe because it has a HTTPS. It's using secure sockets, but our browser doesn't have the exact certificate that it's using, but that's fine. Default username and password is UBNT for both. I've already changed the password on mine, but if you hadn't and you did log in using the default password, it'll pop up. It's important to change that password, not just for security reasons, but because it won't actually let you make any changes to the setup before you change that password. So we can come across to wireless, and we're choosing this as a station. So we select which network we're going to use. Give it a few seconds to search for available networks. An important point to note is that it will only pick up Wi-Fi networks in these frequencies here, which are all 5 GHz. So you've got to make sure that your router is 5 GHz capable. Once your Wi-Fi network does come up, you can select it with a little checkbox there and choose select. Then down here we want to enter the password for the Wi-Fi network and choose the right security. Most of the time in modern routers, this is going to be WPA2-AES. And then hit the change button to save. Now you can go to your network adapter again and put it back in the subnet of the network that you should be connected to now. In my case, I have a DHCP server on that, so I can choose automatic. And just make sure that it does connect, which in my case it has. You can also confirm that by opening command prompt or CMD and typing ipconfig, and there's our local LAN range so we know we're connected.